Today, we're thrilled to showcase a gem from our pool collection that promises to bring the dazzle and charm of Vegas right to your backyard, the Vegas. This modern Grecian design isn't just a pool, it's a statement of luxury and fun wrapped in the comfort of your home. The Vegas is designed with dual entry steps, offering an inviting and accessible swim experience. Whether it's a morning dip or a midnight swim, entering and exiting is a breeze. The opposing steps not only add to its aesthetic appeal but ensure safety and convenience for swimmers of all ages. With a maximum depth of 5 feet 1 inch, the Vegas is a secure swim space for everyone. Whether you're teaching the little ones to swim or just floating under the stars, this pool ensures a safe and enjoyable time. Despite its grandeur, the Vegas boasts a compact shape of 355 square feet, making it a perfect fit for most backyards. It's not just a pool, it's a centerpiece that enhances your outdoor living, making every moment a celebration. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.